Hello family, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy E, the Dividend Passport Bro, back with another video, guys. I'm still in West Africa, Monrovia, Liberia, and right now it's about 7:25 here, and I know the time is about 2:25 in the US. Doing this video a little bit early, about almost an hour and a half before the market closed. But guys, we got to get the video in when I can. You can see I look a little creamy here. I'm getting some sun, getting the dark. It is pouring down rain right now. So I was like, you know what? The best thing to do is try to get this video done now, because if I lose signal and I don't have internet, I'm going to do the video later on. So I better do it now. Remember, guys, this is not financial advice. I'm just a 52-year-old man that makes video about my portfolio and my portfolio alone. So do not take this as financial advice. I don't know if you guys can hear that rain in the background, but it is really pouring down very hard right now. Okay, guys, so if you do decide to follow my advice, you do that at your own free risk, okay? Because as you can see, I'm doing it at my own free risk. My portfolio in the last couple of weeks, some of my positions are down by $20,000, it seems like. And it's pretty tough, but it is what it is. We continue to do what we do to invest in our financial future. Okay, guys, right now the market don't look too bad. Yes, S&P 500 don't look too bad. We got Microsoft, Meta, Nvidia, AMD, Amazon are all down. Everything else look pretty good. Oh, Tesla and GE, I missed that. Cats, Waste Management, Costco are all down, but the rest of the market look decent. It's still early. Hopefully things change in the last hour and a half. We can get somewhere. Crypto's still looking horrible. We got about 93,417,000 in Bitcoin, and Ethereum is 3,100 and $93,000. Well, I mean, I'm talking about $493,000. Let's leave it at $93,000. Okay. XRP $2.23. BNB is at $937. Solano down to $141. It's going back and forth. So you can see, guys, crypto is doing what it does, go back and forth. Bitcoin is still valued at $1.86 trillion and $117 billion today in volume. So that is a lot in one day of volume for Bitcoin. But I mean, it's still okay, right? If you got money in Bitcoin, a lot of Bitcoin millionaires out there. Let's look at the portfolio. So right now, I got a margin call. Let me see how much money I need to add to my portfolio. I probably have until the end of the week, I believe, to add this money into this portfolio. If this thing gonna cooperate, I can show that to you guys. But as you can see right now, we have $535.74, $34.74 now. And we pushing margin calls here. We are pushing margin calls. We still got about $133, 66 cents available, because our buffer right now is very high risk. So if the market don't change within the next few days, or probably the end of today, if it dropped down another few $100s, we're gonna be at the risk of a margin call. So I just have to deposit more cash into the portfolio to keep it from going to margin call. But we gotta do what we gotta do. It was up early this morning before the market opened at 4 a.m. and then it dropped down at 4:35, and it went back up a little bit at 9:40, and then it took another dip around 10:05, but it been finding way back up. So it looks like there's gonna be another uptick here about another minute or so to get us to the close-up market. I mean, like I said, my other portfolio is doing pretty bad right now. My other portfolio is doing pretty bad, as I just stated, and I'm not sure when the market is going to recover. With the government shutdown and all the other things that's going on, I'm not sure. But right now, this portfolio here is at the brink of margin calls. But we got cash to put in there if need be. We have cash to put in there to cover the margin calls. So we're going to be good either way. Um, but it's just nerve wracking to have to deal with that margin call situation. So you can see overall in the portfolio, I mean, our profits are we still about $42,000. Today overall we're down about $189. I think it's going to be more than that, but it's still surprising to see the sync getting good soon. So that's why I didn't show that number. But it's still surprising to see that we're still down today only this much. But when I logged into my actual portfolio, it wasn't that bad. I think it was about $300. So if we can keep it under $1,000 today, I think we'll be okay. But it's still stressful, man. It's still stressful. Not in the sense of, not like, oh, don't know where the market's going to go. We don't know where the market's going to go, but it's still stressful. As a matter of fact, it's messing up our income. For me, it's all about income right now. So when the market's bad, we're going to get lower returns, and that is not good for the portfolio on how much income we're getting at the end of the week. So I'm not happy about that. Let's see if this thing is going to update again so I can give you guys a better number. I have to resync. Boys in the hood there, right? Let me see if I can resync this. Yeah, let's try that again. Okay, it's not going to work like it's supposed to. Okay, guys, so we try it one more time to see if it works. If it doesn't work, then, I'll just have to fool with it another time. I want to see how much of an update we are between all three portfolios, and the difference in how much we're down today. I want to check one, but I didn't check all the other three. So, of course, I need to give an idea for the total amount on how much money we're down across the board for all of our three main portfolio. Now, guys, I hope you guys are making adjustments to your portfolio. If you have something in your portfolio and you don't feel comfortable, move out of it, okay? Now, for everybody, it's different, okay? Some people say, oh, well, I sold out my stuff. I sold out of WPay, but they only have like $1,000 in WPay, okay? For some of us who have over $100,000 in there, it's a lot harder to move funds and just sell out of it at a loss. We're collecting all the distributions to kind of come out closer even, but still, we're not selling out of that right now. Okay, guys, as you can see, we're still like $191.59 is how much we're down today across the board, across all of the portfolio. But we still got another hour and 15 minutes, hour and 25 minutes to go in the market. So I'm not going to be here the entire time, guys. I just want to bring you guys an update and let you know, at least today I'm early, I'm watching the market and seeing, but I'm not going to spend any money either. I'm not buying nothing until probably next month when I get out of margins, completely out of my other portfolio before I buy anything. Okay, so you guys have an amazing Monday. Hopefully things turn around and we can make some money today or end up in the positive to where we're not losing money, because this is horrible. Okay, guys, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Stay blessed. Peace.